No money, I want money keep piling. This shit keep.
Today I will be doing this unboxing on this kettle, on this electric kettle that I bought, so I can be able to make my tea. I bought some herbal tea from the flea market that I go to. This was from at the flea market in Aden. This tea was this whole bag for $7, which I put it inside of this jar. When I bought the tea, I asked him, he gave me a sample, and I asked him what did he make his tea with. He said he made it with just distilled water, light brown sugar, which I put in this container, the tea, and honey. So that's what I'm going to be using to make my tea. His tea was cold, so I'm going to drink mine cold as well. I've already taken the kettle out of the box. I'm just going to drop that. This is the kettle right here. This is the bottom, like the base part. Here's the plug. And this is the actual kettle. So yeah, I didn't do anything other than go ahead and set this up or whatever. So I'm just gonna go ahead and plug that in. So I'm gonna go ahead and fill this pitcher up with 2 quarts of water. 1 quart for each 2 tablespoons. So I'm doing 2 quarts, so it's 4 tablespoons of tea. Sorry if I confused you with my off number. I didn't use distilled water. That is like really on the money. But I didn't use distilled water. I used this natural spring water. It's alkaline water. Same difference. So I'm just gonna move that up. I'm gonna go ahead and pour my water in. And it has a max line right here, which I hope I'm okay. So I kind of passed the max line, so I can't fill it up anymore. So this little bit of water, I'm just gonna leave that in there, because when this water comes out, it's gonna be boiling anyway. So who's to say that a little bit is gonna be cold? Who cares? So yeah, I guess that's really it. So we're gonna see how long it takes. Actually, we're gonna use the time up here to see how long it takes for this water to get completely hot and boiling. So I guess I'm gonna leave it like this. kettle is like really shaking my whole phone right now. The counter really. That's very hot. Very hot. And it is completely done boiling now. Alright, and that sums this up for my review of this Bella electric glass kettle.